Welcome to the TCCI Manufacturing Wind Tunnel and Innovation Center, the state-of-the-art engineering and testing facility located in Decatur, Illinois. We provide cost-effective climatic development and validation testing under a wide range of simulated, guaranteed, repeatable environmental conditions for an array of vehicle applications. Our multi-million-dollar R&D lab and engineering test facility provide product evaluations to the most demanding realistic weather and road conditions, resulting in faster development, lower cost, and improved performance of products so you can get to market faster. TCCI on-site engineers work with customers to test new products, new technology, or diagnose system issues. Our simulations enable engineers precise control over all the key variables that determine performance. Speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Temperature control between -25 and 50 degrees Celsius. Humidity control between 5 and 95%. Solar load control up to 1200 watts per meter squared. Four-wheel drive chassis dynamometer. When performance and durability count, trust TCCI Climatic Wind Tunnel.